Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you the pieces that I'm renting from Nuuly for this month. I have my bag right here. I have 6 pieces to share with you. Okay, last month I was getting a little bit like, okay, you guys need to bring in some new stuff because everything that I want is being rented. They brought in some new arrivals and I went a little crazy. I almost did 7 rentals this month, but I kept to the 6 because I am trying to keep myself on a budget here. If you're not familiar with Nuuly, it's a clothing rental program. You get to have 6 pieces of clothing for a month for $88. I do have a referral link down in my description box that will get you $20 off your first month if you're interested in trying it out. So at the end of the month, you send all of your pieces back in this bag, and it comes with the shipping label and everything, so you don't have to worry about paying for shipping or anything, and then you can get your next Nuuly. But you can purchase anything that you rent at a discount, which is one of the reasons why I really like this, because it's kind of been a way for me to afford some pieces and just make sure that it's what I really want. Like just wear it for a month, try out the sizing and all that. And there have been a couple pieces that I've purchased. I actually didn't end up buying the patch pants that I rented from my past Nuuly. I really wish I had because it was a pretty good discount, but I was just trying to save. Right now we're kind of doing some like changes to our house, like some home decor and stuff, and I just kind of stepped back from investing in my closet for this month. That's the overall idea of what Nuuly is. If you have any questions, I can always answer them in the comments. I have been doing this for a while. I don't get paid to do these video reviews or anything. It's just something that I really enjoy. It's been a way for me to add some really pretty pieces to my closet that I know I love and have worn, tested them out before I bought them type of thing, because they are expensive, but you can at times get a really nice discount. But if this is your very first time here to my channel, I really hope you enjoyed this review. If you do want to see more like this from me, don't forget to subscribe. I have new videos up every Monday and Friday. I'm actually not going to have a video up on Monday, this coming Monday, because my husband and I are celebrating our 3-year anniversary, wedding anniversary. So usually I'm filming over the weekend, but we just want to take a little bit of time, spend some time together, and yeah, just want to let you know that's probably what's going to happen this weekend. This first dress is from For Love and Lemons. I actually already wore this. I wore it in my last video. It has elastic around the neckline, so it just makes it really easy to adjust. The sleeves do not fall down. Thank goodness. I ended up getting this in a size large, and I think I would have done better with an extra large because the length doesn't quite work for me and it almost does not fit me. But thankfully there's enough stretch in the material that I was able to get it shut, like the zipper in the back shut. It has a really pretty style in the back where it's like a low square neck. It's just very romantic, and then it comes up high on the top. And then the sleeves are just a beautiful statement. I love how oversized and soft these are. It's a very comfortable dress as long as you can get that length right. Otherwise, you're going to be pulling it down, which is what happened with me. Mini styles are just really tricky for me sometimes because I am a little bit more curvy on the butt. And then lengthwise, I'm 5'11". Otherwise, I really like it. I'll probably just end up wearing it in my videos, around the house, maybe for pictures or something like that. But actually, like wearing it around, I don't think I'd be comfortable with because it pulls up majorly. You got to make sure you get that sizing right. And I would definitely recommend sizing up if you can. This next top is from Sister Jane. I love that brand, but this is a very preppy, dressy top. It's got the very ridiculous oversized collar, which is something that I've noticed with Sister Jane styles. They have that dramatic collar that I love. The reviews on this were actually not that great, but if you're not familiar with styles from Sister Jane, they can be a little bit different. This is something that I see myself pulling out more so in the spring and fall, probably, maybe even winter, just to kind of dress up a pair of jeans or something like that. But it has big buttons and that frilly collar. It's actually 2 layers. I like the type of material that Sister Jane has because it's thicker and heavier and it feels like it's gonna last. This one I got in a size medium. I would definitely not have gone for a large because it would have been way too big. I typically stick to my regular size or sometimes size down with Sister Jane styles because they tend to be pretty oversized. And I did get this one brand new, which I am very excited about. I'm gonna go try this on, let you see what it looks like, and then continue moving on. This was one that came in the newer arrivals, and it is from Farm Rio, which that brand has really been standing out to me recently. I've been noticing it on Nordstrom. As soon as I saw that they were getting a lot more of the Farm Rio on Nuuly, I have been wanting to test them out. So I finally got my hands on one of their pieces, their newer pieces, and this is a little cropped tank top. The colors of this are just so pretty, and this is the type of style that you can tie a huge bow in the back just to kind of make it fit exactly right. And I kept to a medium with this one because you do have that ability to adjust it in the back. This is just a perfect summer top to complete a wide leg pair of linen pants or something like that. So we'll see if I end up liking this one throughout the month, but it has a lot of detail to it. The material feels really nice. With this top, I'll probably end up just wearing like either a bralette with it or a strapless bra, or maybe an adhesive. We'll see which one is more comfortable. I'll let you know what I decide to wear with it, but this is definitely a little bit of a different style for me to try out. But I mean, I like having stuff like this, especially if I'm trying to go for a walk on the beach or something. A nice summer vacation top, I feel like. I'm excited about this. It's stepping outside of my comfort zone a little bit. A dress to share with you, and actually I think I was talking with one of you in the comments about this brand Celia B. I cannot tell you how excited I am about this dress. I think this is going to be one of the dresses that I get our anniversary pictures in because this is stunning. I have never tried a material like this before. It's like a velvet, but you have like embroidery in it. And then you have that scalloped velvet material around the neckline. But the sleeves are absolutely beautiful. They're like that oversized, voluminous style. You have a lot of material at the bottom of the dress. So it's going to be in that swing dress or flare style. The florals on this are like a see-through type of thing, but it has like a sheer layer on top of it. There is a little zipper on the side to help you get in and out of the dress. Where does it go down to? Okay, so it goes down pretty far. From here to here. It should make things nice and easy to get into. But I've been wanting to try this brand Celia B for a very long time. All the pieces always are being rented or just I can't find my size in it. And this one finally was available, so I jumped on it. This next piece is a very classic but simple romantic dress. This dress is from Sister Jane. It's in a mini dress style. So it has just a really pretty simple neckline in the front. It has pearl embroidery just throughout the whole neckline and into the back. But the back of this dress is my favorite. This is just what really drew me to this piece. It has this huge bow in the back, which I just love about this. It's very unique. Especially this neckline is very hard for me to come across a plunging, just like deep back in dresses, and I love those styles. I think they're so romantic. I ended up getting this dress in a size large, and with Sister Jane dresses, I probably could have gone away with a medium, but with this style of dress, I don't mind it just being a little bit of a loose style, especially since the length is what I'm going for with this one, so this will be a perfect length. This next piece I thought looked very similar to a Love Shack Fancy Style, and I've never tried anything from this brand before, so I wanted to give them a try. They had this quilted sweater top or like cardigan type of thing, and it is so cute. I love it. I love the little ruffled. It's very shabby chic. The buttons are in that diamond style. This is a little bit much to be wearing right now, but I really wanted to try this out in case it's something that I want to purchase in the future, or if I end up getting a nice discount, saving it for the fall. But I ended up getting it in a size large and got it brand new, which I am very happy about. So I'm going to give you a couple close-ups of this piece, just like the detail, little ruffles on the pockets and all that, and then give you an idea of what it looks like on. That is everything that I'm renting from Nuuly this month. I'm just kind of thinking ahead for the colder months, and then also just having a couple pieces that I can wear right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!